TA, you need to at least spend one semester, and you need to like really excel in that course. Like you need to be amongst the top 5 highest scoring students in that particular course, and you need to have a good rapport with your professor too to get a TA. RA, again, it depends on referrals and how you talk to the departments during the first 2 weeks. But in terms of percentage, I think it would be close to 40%, I would say. Like 30 to 40% of students get an RA or a TA, but a majority of us ended up doing on-campus jobs. So, like maybe at the library or the bookstore or even the dining area, like the student community dining area. But as far as TA and RA is concerned, those are not very easy to get while you are in India. It's better once you have spent some time at the university and the professors know you, and similarly the department like if is aware of the kind of work you're interested in, only then they would go out of their way and give you a TA or a RA opportunity. As far as there is also something called GAs, which is graduate assistantship, and that is definitely easier to get than the TA and RA opportunities. As far as GAs are concerned, I would say seniors are your best bet. Like as soon as you land, there are people who will be graduating in a semester or so. So reach out to those people, tell them, like just talk. And that is where the orientation comes into picture. Like you need to talk to them. And in general, when you're exploring the campus, go and talk to every single department. No matter if it is the agricultural department or whatever department, just go and talk. Because they will have roles relevant to your interests. There are a lot of positions available at the bookstore. So as soon as you land and you are looking desperately for an on-campus job, I think bookstore and the university stationery store would be your best bet. They just need people initially when there is a lot of load, when the semester is about to begin. But you can at least get your social security number and other paperwork done if you take up a job at the bookstore. So I think you should definitely go and target the bookstore. If you get an RA or a TA, either they will give you a stipend or they will pay you hourly. So if you get a stipend, it would cover some of your credits from your course. So if you're taking up, for example, you're taking 6 credits in a particular semester, so it would pay off 50% of that. So it would pay off for your 3 credits. So if $6,000 is, for an example, fees for a particular semester, start anything from $9 to close to $15 an hour. So I started a website developer or something for a department. You get close to $20 an hour, but that is the max limit. So anything from $9 to $20 an hour.